purpose of this video is just to kind of get you started with the Excel assessment. Um, you need to be able to set this up and figure out how to do a worksheet on your own. So I'm not going to give you step by step, this is how you do it. Obviously, you'll create a documentation sheet with your information. You should have collected your information in the worksheet so that you know it all. And then you will add a title and a subtitle at the top. You will have information like room type. And again, that's important because we're going to have two different types of rooms. You'd want your airfare and your hotel and your transportation. We have tip, whatever your expenses are. Okay, I'm putting etc. there. Don't put etc. Okay, don't copy this. That's your expenses. You're going to figure out what those are. You'll have day one, and each day of the trip, right, for your 7 days. And you should have some days that are single and some that are double. Okay, it doesn't really matter the order. And the couple things I want to help you out with is when you're setting up your if function for your hotel room. Again, we're doing the if function. That's a logical function. I choose if. Okay. When you're doing an if function, you need 3 pieces of information. One is your test. So what we need to test is whether the hotel room type is a single or a double. Well, if it's a single anyway. So we're going to click for B4 is equal to, and because I'm testing on text, I have to put it in quotes. Okay, and that is single. It checks out to be true, so that's right. If it's value of true, I would put whatever the room cost is for a single room. So maybe it's $150. And for false, I'd put whatever it is for a double. Okay, so we'd have that. And okay, so that sets it up. And when I fill that, then you see how when it's single, it's 150. When it's double, it's 175. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to set up your tip percent here somewhere. Maybe you're tipping 4%, and your tip for the hotel room would be the hotel room cost, right, times the tip percentage, but you want to set that up so that you can copy that. Okay, that's my hint. You want to be able to copy it so that let me press that in there. When I fill it, okay, see what happens? That changes. I don't want that to change, so you have to set that up. The rest of setting it up, again, you're going to add your over here total, average, min, and max. Down here you'll have a total. You need a grand total. You'll need some information. Your pie chart will be based on the expense types and the total, whatever you make that. And it needs to be printable. Don't forget the printing step. When I hit print preview, okay, and this isn't going to look like anything, but when I hit print preview, it shouldn't print on multiple pages, okay? You should be able to make a spreadsheet that fits on one page, and if it doesn't fit on one page when you print preview, you need to fix that, okay? Now, I am happy to answer questions, take a look at what you're doing, any of that, but that's kind of my little tips, hints, tricks, whatever you want to call it.